In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Quora. Okay, I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting on Quora because I was promoting a lot of affiliate links, and in this video, I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links for beginners. I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how we can create a Fiverr affiliate account like this one, and so much more. How we can start this business with $0 using just free traffic. Okay, so it took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links, I'm still getting commission, and as you can see in my balance right now, it's available 5,102 and 20 and $25 in commission available right now in my balance. I can withdraw this money by the end of this month. I will get more commission, of course, tomorrow or so on. Okay, so anyways, so for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission. So to join Fiverr affiliate, just click over here on join now. Okay, you will be directly in this sign up process page. So what you need to do first, you need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. Anyone can sign up. It's super easy. It will take just few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and you need to search for this website. Okay, go to Google, search for Quora. Okay, we will use this website to promote our affiliate links for free. So search for Quora, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Quora. Okay, so what you need to do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, and so now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I was promoting on Quora, and I will show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link so you can earn commission. Click on the search and search for website development. Okay, search for website development. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose sellers who have a lot of reviews, like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has good reviews, like I said. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So let me see, I will build this one website. This one looks really good. This one is level 2 seller. This one also looks good. This one looks good. This one is top rated seller, and this one, so I will choose this one, top rated seller. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. He has 27 orders in queue. People keep coming back, so this seller is providing a good service for his customers. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy his profile link Just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here, okay, and put this seller profile link here and click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Quora. Okay, so let's go to Quora. Okay, so before you will copy this keyword website development, and I will go to Quora. Okay, and go back to Quora. Okay, to your home page, click on the search for website development. Okay, like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here are searching for how how to find a great website developers. Okay, this one is searching where can I find a great website developers. Okay, this person is searching for this website, this developer. Okay, as you can see. So what you will do, let's go. Which is the best web development company? Here is another person. Where can I find a website developer? Okay, you can see that you will find a lot of people here searching for where they can find. They are searching for website developer. Okay, so those people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, that we will promote. So what you will do? Let's choose this one for example. Click over here on answer. Okay, and we will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, scroll down, go to this description about this gig, and I will copy this part. Okay, copy this part. I will copy just this part, go to Quora and put this description here. Okay, like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Quora and put this affiliate link here. Okay, like this. Okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be like this. So what you will do next, click on post. Okay, and your affiliate link will be sent to this person. Okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link, so let me delete this. Your affiliate link will be sent to this person. Where can I find a great website developer? If you want a stunning Wix website that you own and you can edit yourself, then I can design. This one is good. This description is really good, and this is my affiliate link. So this person, if this person is still looking for website developer, he will click on my affiliate link. For example, like that, he will be directly in this Fiverr seller page. Click on continue, buy this service, and they will earn commission. But it's super easy. This person is looking for website developer, and I help this person. And this is I will send my affiliate link about website development to this person, and that's it. It's really easy. You just need to promote a lot of affiliate links, and you can earn a lot of commission, and you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing using free traffic. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. And of course, make sure to promote a lot of affiliate links. Don't use just Quora. You can use Pinterest, you can use YouTube Short, you can use YouTube, just YouTube simple videos. You can use Instagram, you can use Facebook, you can use Twitter. If you want, if you are really interested to start affiliate marketing, go check my other videos in my YouTube channel. I share all those methods for free. Okay, so just copy and paste, and that's it. And see you in my next video.